Apple MFI certified. Ensures complete compatibility with iPhone 13, 12, 11, 13, 12, 11 Pro, 13, 12, 11 Pro Max, 13, 12 Mini, XS, XS Max, XR, X, 8 Plus, 8 sevenths Plus, 7 sixths S Plus, 6S, 6 Plus, 6 fifths S, 5C, 5, iPhone SE 1, SE 2, iPad Pro, 12, 9 in, 10, 5 in, 9, 7 in, iPad Pro 2, 12, 9 in, iPad Air, Air 2, Air 3, iPad Mini, Mini 2, Mini 3, Mini 4, Mini 5, iPad 9th Gen, iPod Touch 5th Gen, iPod Nano 7th Gen and Beats Pill Plus. New MFI certified chipset. This iPhone charging cable uses Apple's original C89 smart chip to recognize and connect to your Apple devices immediately. MFI certified cables provide a safe and stable charging solution for your devices. Incredible charging speed. Wide diameter wires and reduced cord resistance maximize charging speed. Supports up to 2.4 amps charging current. Added protection. An additional layer of protection has been added to the Lightning and USB ends to improve durability and reduce fraying. Cables have been tested to bend 90 degrees 20,000 times. Secure fit. Sturdy unibody connectors resist damage while ensuring a secure fit with every insertion. What you get. Amazon Basics Lightning to USB cable, worry-free lifetime warranty and dedicated Amazon customer service. Top reviews from the United States. Works instantly. Surprised that it came in its own case. The instant I plugged it into my iPad it worked. My previous other brand cord had me bending it this way or that to try to get it to work. Happy this worked immediately.